Hi guys, this is Barbara from 49 Dragonflies. I'm very excited. I received my third ZenPop box, which is a Japanese stationery subscription box. I mean, they have other subscription boxes as well from ZenPop. I think some food related ones if I'm not mistaken. But this is the stationery one and I'm going to unbox this with you together. I've only slid it open just so that you don't have to watch me struggle with the package. I have not actually opened it, so this is all a surprise for me and I'm so excited. So we start off with this little note that I'm not going to read right now, and a little flyer that tells us what the things are, which I'm also not going to look at now. Then we have some nice tissue paper, and here are a lot of goodies. So first off, okay, I remember now. I was reading online that this is a cat related box, which is such a shame because I'm totally not a cat person. I am a dog person. So yeah, I'm not sure how excited I'm actually gonna be about the things in here, but yeah, let's have a look together. So this is an eraser, it looks like, that you can pop onto the end of a pencil. A cat, okay. Then I see here a highlighter. Okay, ooh, okay, so what's nice is, do you see it has this clear tip in the front? So that's kind of cool and different. I don't think I need to try that out because a highlighter is a highlighter, I think. Then I see another pen right here. This is a Signo 0.5 Uniball Pen. Okay, and I unfortunately did not prepare anything to test the stuff on. So let me just try it on this flyer and see. Okay, so it seems to be dark blue ink if I'm not mistaken, and it writes really well. Yeah, really well, as most Japanese pens do. So this is nice. Then I see another pen. Samora Decoris, I don't know, very cute packaging, and it has a thing on top. Okay, seems to be a rollerball pen, so I will try this as well. Oh, and it's in a turquoise. Okay, that writes nicely as well, so let's see right here. Okay, this is nice. I don't really use pens like this a lot, but it's a really nice pen. And then I see another pen in orange with cats on it. The brand is Sarasa 0.3, and let's see what color this one writes in. Okay, it actually writes in orange. It's also a rollerball thing. Oops, so it's right there. Yeah, so yeah, it has cats. I mean, it's cute, but it does have cats, and it's an orange. Don't really use that, but all right. Next, I see some stick markers with some cat paws. That's pretty cute. Then I see some clips. I forgot what they're called bulldog clips, I think. So I'll take these out so you can see them better. Yeah, so there's 3 of these. And they're not actually cats. They could be dogs. I guess they look more like dogs than cats, no? On these photos? The drawings. So yeah, these are cute. These are three little clips. I like those. Then we have a cat notebook, and I'm not going to open this. I don't know if it's lined. Yeah, it looks like it might be lined. I don't want to open this because I think I'm going to gift this to somebody. And then we have another paper pad with these cute Chinese style, or sorry, Asian style cats. And yeah, they're all the same. It's pretty cute. This format is, I find, very interesting. So maybe I'll use this or gift it to someone. I'm not sure. I'll see. Then I see some stickers, and yeah, these here are actually the quality that I love. It's like this thick matte paper, and unfortunately it's all cat related. Yeah, so I guess I'm going to gift this to someone as well. Same as these. So these are cats in different costumes or uniforms. Yeah, they're cute. If you like cats, then this is very cute. And then we have two washies. Surprisingly, they're both cat related. So let me unpack this, even though I might gift it. I don't know yet, but let's see what it looks like. Let me find the beginning. I like that it's a darker washi, because most of my other washies are either very light or they're very colorful. But I don't really have a lot of these dark ones, so. Okay, so this is what it looks like. And I guess it's okay. I mean, it has a few little cats here and there, but it's not so dominant, so I might just have to keep this. So that's this one, and then the other one looks like this, and it's a lighter one. Let's see what this one looks like. Okay, this is very catty. I don't think I will be using this, so I guess I might be gifting this one. Alright, so that was the last thing in the box. So, quick recap. We had 2 stickers. Then the stick markers, paper pad, another paper pad, pen and 2 markers, a highlighter, an eraser, and then we have these bulldog clips, and we had, oops, sorry, we had these 2 washies. So if you like cats, this is actually a very cute box. It's just unfortunately that I'm not a huge cat fan. So yeah, I can definitely still recommend this box. It was just unfortunate this time, but it's cute, and I think I might continue with the subscription. So I hope you enjoyed this. I will put the link below of the box, and enjoy the rest of your day. Bye bye.